Let's give a warm welcome to our community partners and supporters. Leading the way is the Philippine National Police Patrol, keeping us safe today. Next, the school border with faculty and staff, news and escort. The Batang Emergency Response Team, always ready to help in emergencies. We also have our Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts, known for their leadership and service. Following them are the Senior Red Cross Youth. Let's give them a big round of applause. Get ready for an exciting day filled with energy, passion, and unforgettable moments. I am Miss Maribel Event E. Agravia, and I am Miss Jeremy G. Muya. We will be your hosts for today's event. Let's hear from the incredible band. Are you ready? 11 more. The last but not the least, the Mega 12. Let's hear a welcome message from the ever-dedicated head teacher 3 of the NAPA department, Mrs. Isabel E. Delgado. Please give her a round of applause.
To our passionate and engaging guests, Mrs. Annalyn Idaragan, to our supportive school principal for Dr. Fortunata Jer Hermino, likewise to our assistant principal too, Dr. Mary Grace Pedro Jasmo, to our visionary and supportive mayor, Honorable Vicente Judith Scorpion Jr., to our supportive sports enthusiast, Vice Mayor Honorable Sharon Paul Ikidato, to our dependable department heads, subject coordinators, teachers and staff, parents and guardians, ladies and gentlemen, and most of all, to our excited and energetic learners, a pleasant afternoon and welcome to our Hinampang sa High School 2025.
Good afternoon, everyone. As we open Hinampang sa High School 2025, we are honored to have with us a truly inspiring individual whose journey as a student, leader, athlete, athlete and public servant reflects the values of discipline, passion, and perseverance that this event celebrates. She is a proud Igbarasnon of the first district in 2019 and even a regional champion in track and field World Bar 100 middle relay during the Pag-asa Youth Association in Tacna. She serves as an admin assistant too at the Municipal Accounting Office with additional designations as the local youth development officer at Igbaras Municipal Sports Coordinator. Beyond her career, she is also a promoter of student athletes to continue her legacy in sports, both baseball and badminton. Truly, her life is a testimony that excellence in academics, leadership, and sports can go hand in hand with service to the community. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all give a warm round of applause to our inspirational speaker for Hinampangsa High School 2025, Mrs. Almamin Igria Eteradan.
Good afternoon, everyone, to our local officials headed by the two men behind ng LGU natin, Mayor Jubin Escorpion, the ever-supportive kanyang genuine concern sa pamatanin, and supported by Vice Mayor, Honorable Sherwin Paul Digato, and of course, Igbaras National High School Principal Dr. Fortunata Hermino, and to all the faculty and staff of Igbaras National High School, sa mga ginikanan, number 1 fan, kang anda kabataan nga mahilig magsipal o kung maghampang. To all the students of Igbaras National High School, mayat-ayat nga hapon, Igbaras nan! Sports is very proactive and transformative, no? The community is experiencing unity, oneness, pag-abot sa may sports events natin.
Yes, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name, an athlete representing my team in Hinampang sa High School 2025 to help you guys.
Requesting all the teachers to be in front of the stage because we will be having our official oath to be led by Dr. Amor E. Ilanga.
Appreciating officials to kindly raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name, the officiating official of this Intramurals 2025. Do solemnly swear to perform my respective duties and responsibilities assigned to me to the best of my abilities and with the highest degree of honesty and integrity in the true spirit of fair play. So help me God.
Palang pambansa tayo ay magkaisa para sa tagumpay pangarap ng bawat isa. Mula sa hirap at pagsubok na dinaan, isinuman laban ng Diyos sinukuhan. Mga pangarap na ating binuong sa sayaw at galaw, iyong itatayo. Kahit sumayaw, ako'y ng tagumpay, bibig ng puso at sa puso ay sabay. Iwan ang pala.
our beloved Vice Mayor, Honorable Sherwin Paul Guilado. Let's give him a resounding applause.
Thank you very much, ma'am. To our local chief executive, Honorable Mayor Sete Scorpion, and to our guest speaker, our LYDO, Mrs. Idradan, to our department heads, teachers, athletes, and students. Pleasant afternoon to each and everyone. Ngayong hapon, well, ang unity dance, ang inyong music is palarong pambansa, no? That is every athlete's dream, no? To reach the palarong pambansa. And I know ang Igbaras had produced many players nga nakalapod rin sa palarong pambansa. But I hope, no, nga madugangan pag natin not only representing our town in the palarong pambansa, but in other.
Who had always stood by us, leading with heart, vision, and commitment, the pillar of our community, the one and only, our beloved Mayor, Honorable Vicente E. Escorpion Jr., who is ready to ignite our spirits with his empowering words of wisdom. Let's give him a round of applause.
My fellow workers in government service, from our local government and also from Igbaras National High School, and dear athletes, may agin nga hapon sa tanan. What is important, nga sa ating level, no, naka-contribute kita sa ating sports program. And that is for the development of everyone. So, I am assuring you, not pa lang, no? Not we are ready to accommodate and to assist you in the sports program of the school, starting here, to be followed by the district meet, to be followed by CDSA, and to be followed by integrated meet. Kung magsaksit maging kita, mag-proceed kita sa palaro. So, sa liwan, sa ating mga students, enjoy your activity, no? Your activity. Salamat, Gid, kag mayad nga hapon sa tanan.
And National High School learners, hep hep! Hooray, hooray! Hail excellence! Very good. Yan ang energy, no? By virtue and authority vested in me as your Assistant School Principal 2, on behalf of Dr. Fortunata G. Armino, Principal 4,